Hello, everyone. Are you looking for the best high-performance tattoo machine, but don't know which one to choose? You've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the 3 best tattoo machine on the market in 2025. Together, we'll look at their features, pros, cons, and even customer reviews to help you make the best choice. Let's get started. Top 3. The WTK-070 Tattoo Gun Kit by Wormhole. WTK-070 Tattoo Gun Kit by Wormhole Tattoo. It's got 58 pieces. Yeah, not kidding. You get a rotary tattoo pen, needles, inks, foot pedal, power supply, and even tattoo transfer paper. Just know the transfer cream's not in the box. You'll need to get that separate. Let's start with the pen. It's a rotary tattoo pen with RCA connection. It's light, runs smooth, and barely makes a sound. It works for regular tattoos and even permanent makeup. You can adjust how deep the needle goes, up to 4 millimeters. The stroke length is also 4 millimeters, and it works best between 6 and 8 volts. Basically, this thing does the job without drama. The power supply? Pretty smart. It shuts off by itself if anything goes wrong with the voltage, so you don't fry the pen or your hand. That's a good move, especially if you're new and messing with stuff. The motor? Strong and stable. The pen's made of aluminum alloy, so it won't melt or rust on you. There's low noise, low shake, and it colors fast without spitting ink everywhere. Worried you won't know how to set it up? Chill. There's a guide inside. Plus, Wormhole's got your back if you get stuck. Their support team helps you one-on-one until you get it right. Now let's talk real. What's good? The machine's light and quiet, the power box is solid, and it's beginner-friendly. People say it works right out of the box. Most love the pen and the easy setup. In quality, not the best, but usable for practice. Same with the fake skin. It's thin, so don't expect magic. Also, some needles aren't labeled well, so double-check before using them. That's not a deal breaker, but still. The Wormhole Tattoo Gun Kit gives you a solid pen, power supply, needles, inks, and more, all in one box. It's built for beginners, runs smooth, and doesn't cost an arm and a leg. So, if you're serious about tattooing, you'll probably upgrade your inks and needles later. But for the price? This kit kills it. You get more than enough to start learning and even do some real tattoos on fake skin, or yourself if you're brave. Just don't jump on friends yet. Learn first. Top 2. Perry Page P90 Tattoo Stencil Printer. First thing, you don't need ink. It's a thermal printer, which means it uses heat to print your stencil. No mess, no leaks. It's super small, weighs about a pound, and fits right into your backpack. We're talking 10 inches long and just over an inch thick. Perfect for mobile setups, conventions, or even house calls. Now, the battery. It's got a built-in 2000 milliamp hours rechargeable battery, which lets you print around 200 stencils per charge. That's wild. And it's totally wireless. Connects to your phone, tablet, or computer, whether you're on Android, iOS, Windows, or Mac. No extra gear needed. The app? Pretty solid. The Perry Page app gives you access to built-in tattoo templates, or you can upload your own designs. It's way easier than the old-school method where you're sketching and scanning forever. Just load up your design, hit print, and in a few seconds you've got clean stencil lines ready to slap on your client. But let's keep it real. Not everything's perfect. Some users say if you don't load the paper just right, it jams or the print comes out crooked. That's frustrating when you're in a rush. Also, print quality varies. Some folks love it. Others say the lines aren't crisp enough. One guy even said his unit wouldn't connect at all, so you might want to double-check the return policy before buying. P90 Tattoo Stencil Printer. Small. Wireless. Inkless. Works with everything. Battery's solid. The app helps a lot. But you gotta be careful with paper placement, and some users report tech issues. So, if you're a beginner, this is a great way to speed things up and keep your tools light. If you're a pro, it's a handy backup or something to bring on the road. But if you need super high-resolution stencils for ultra-detailed pieces, maybe this isn't your only printer. Top 1. Dragonhawk L3 Tattoo Kit. This thing looks slick. All black, solid build. It's got a chunky grip, 32 millimeters, so it feels good in your hand. Not too heavy either. About 233 grams. That's just right to keep control, but not make your wrist cry after a long session. The machine works both with a cord or wirelessly, and the battery holds up. You get up to 7 hours on one charge. Oh, and there's 2 batteries in the box, so you always got backup. Now the stroke settings. That's what sets this one apart. You can switch between 7 different stroke lengths, from 2.4 millimeters all the way up to 4.2 millimeters. That means you can do fine lines, shading, packing, all with one pen. Just twist the knob and boom, you're set. That's super useful when you don't want to keep switching machines mid-tattoo. It runs on a powerful core motor. This thing pushes ink like a beast, but stays smooth. No snag, no weird vibrations. Clients feel less pain, and your lines look way cleaner. It's also quiet, so your studio doesn't sound like a chainsaw festival. The kit comes with a full setup. You get the L3 pen, 2 batteries, 10 round liners, 10 round shaders, ink bottles, RCA cables, seals, fake skin, and even transfer paper. No need to run around buying extras. But let's be real. What are the downsides? A few folks said the stroke dial feels a bit tight at first. Some beginners also took time to figure out how to lock in the battery right. But honestly, that's small stuff compared to what you get. Most reviews say it's easy to use and crazy good for the price. The Dragonhawk L3 gives you cordless freedom, solid battery life, full stroke control, pro-level motor, and a full starter kit. It works for newbies and pros alike. Way cheaper than a Cheyenne setup and still delivers quality. That's it for today. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and availability. Let me know in the comments which of these tattoo machine you're thinking of using, or if you already own one of these models. See you in the next video.